So we just came across the almighty Asperion 15. Of course, no customer note. See what's wrong with it. Let's see if we can fix it. First off, let's see what's wrong with it. So we got a plug. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Open it up. Hello? First problem. That. Where the heck that is. Come on, please. I gotta like kickstart it. Jesus Christ, this is a bomb. Huh? Okay, let's see if we can fix it.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Oh my god, shut up. Please, shut up. The heck? Why is it yelling at me? God dang it. Hold on. Let me solve this thing. It's yelling at me. Alright, so, let me go ahead and, like, tear it apart, clean it out, repaste it. Then I'll solve this stupid BIOS problem. I changed Secure Boot, still not working, so I'm gonna go ahead, tear this down, clean it out, and then see what I can do. Look at that beautiful, beautiful third, fourth, second gen i3. Let's get it repasted.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So I've got it fully repasted. Of course, gotta order all the friggin' parts from Amazon. And what did you know? My USB stick fell apart and it corrupted like half of my video. So I ordered a new one with all the other parts. So half of my footage is gone, including the footage of me repasting it. So sorry about that, but half of my footage is just gone. Just gone because there's no housing around this. I had to line the pins up in my laptop just get half of it back, but this has decided to fall apart. Not editing on this, I'm editing on my laptop, but it's repasted, so that's a good shot, I guess. I don't know. The thing's still in pieces. It'll wait for like 2 weeks for all the parts to come on, so.
Several bad puns later.
And they're here. Let's go ahead and get this thing fixed. First off, SSD. Let's get those switched over. And here's a laptop. Alright, and the little ribbon cable. The final piece to this SSD. First, let's see how much RAM this thing has got. 4 gigs, PC3. L. Yeah. DDR3 4 gigs, so 5th gen i5? No, 5th gen i3. Already replaced the CMOS battery when they got here the other day. So, let's reassemble this laptop and get a Windows install thing going, I guess. I don't know. This needs Windows 10 Home on it. Alright. Battery time. Oh, I know where these screws are from. Right here in my desk. Because I always have extra laptop screws. Great. Well, you're probably asking, what was in the other box? Well, I'll put it to you plain and simple. A 45 watt AC adapter. So, let's go ahead and hook up the laptop and get some Windows installed on it, because I gotta make a Windows install media. That's gonna be fun. So, let's make that install media real quick. Oop, oh, not boot, not boot. that boot. Let's just go ahead and make that install media. And boom, we are done. Let's go ahead and take this USB flash, plug it into the computer, right here, slide it in, open it up, turn it on, there we go. Are you kidding me? Okay, back on. Oh my god, it's just gonna keep doing this, bro. Oh, I've got it where it can only boot off the USB for now. So, just turn it off. Turn it back on, see what happens. If it does that stupid thing again, it did, then we're gonna have a little bit of a problem. Because I've already fixed it. There's the Windows logo flashing. I just seen the Windows logo. So, that boot disk does work. We just gotta wait a second because it's slow. And a while it could do, and it worked. Like I said, it's been like 5 minutes. It's a little bit slow. But, let's go ahead and get this set up. Yeah. Setup is starting. And there's the 1 terabyte drive that I need to use. I just got an old Razer Mamba mouse that has no scroll wheel. Scroll wheel doesn't work on this at all. There is no scroll wheel on it. So, yeah. I got Windows to go. So, we could probably take this out without breaking anything. Yeah. Alright, let's go put this back. Alright, I'm gonna be back once I get done with all the setup crap, installing updates, whatever. Alright, here's where the magic happens. Got it fully into Windows. Perfectly signs in. There we go. The SSD is very vast. So, I'm gonna run some stress tests on this. Also, here's an answer to what it has. A 5th gen i3. I was at least somewhat correct. So, let me go ahead and get stress test on here. See what all it gets. Alrighty, so I've got Cinebench running on here. It's an i5 5015U. It says it's got 2 cores, 4 threads, but it's only got 1 thread going. I clicked multi-core, so I don't know. So we're currently updating the BIOS on this computer so I can get it ready, gone. Alright, we're almost done, bro. It's still beeping at me. So. And it doesn't beep anymore. It turns out the CMOS battery holding thing, I tried a 2023 cell. It pushed and bent the pens down so they wouldn't contact correctly on a thinner 2025 cell. So I bent them back out, and it fixed it. It started registering that there was a CMOS battery in here. So, Wasn't a software problem. None of that. It was just a physical pen. So, glad I fixed it. This entire computer's fixed. You know what? That actually reminds me how late I've been up fixing this computer. Why don't you go ahead and subscribe? We're on the road to 500 subscribers. We just about hit 100. We're at 99 currently. So, please hit that sub button if you haven't already done it. This video took the longest of any PC build I've done yet. Or repair, okay? This first repair I've recorded.